guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. Sorry for the dodgy angle. This camera literally doesn't like go up anywhere on the car, so I'm having to like hold it in my hand at the same time as holding the steering wheel, so that's really not ideal. But I thought we could spend the day together today. I've got a couple of appointments. I'm taking Cobe to daycare. He's in the back. I don't know if you can see like the back of him down there. But I'm going to get my eyebrows done, I'm going to get my nails done, and getting my lashes done. Basically like a holiday prep day because I go away on Sunday. None of my clothes have come yet, so I need to pack later as well. Hopefully they get delivered today. Fingers crossed, otherwise I actually don't know what I'm going to do. But yeah, I'm just on my way now to take Cobe to daycare. And then straight from daycare I've got my eyebrows and eyelashes, which I'm actually really excited for. I love getting my eyebrows and eyelashes done. I haven't had my eyelashes done for a while. There's literally a car that's just gone past the other side of the motorway and it's like, it looks like it's going to explode. I don't know if you can see like all this, not smoke, but I don't know what it'd be called, like kind of smoke, yeah. Holiday prepping. It makes it a bit more fun as well when I get to bring you along. I'm actually going to be stressed later packing. I don't go till Sunday, today is Friday, but the reason I need to do it today is because I'm out all day tomorrow. I'm getting my under eye filler dissolved in the morning, I think, which is really scary. And I've got my niece's confirmation meal at 2, and then I've got my stepsister's birthday meal at 6. So I'm literally going to be out all day, so I'm not going to have a chance to pack tomorrow today, so let's all say a prayer that my parcels come and all my clothes come and that I can actually pack. Otherwise tomorrow night I'm going to be stressed because I've got to leave for the airport at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning. I'm a little bit stressed about it, I'm not going to lie, but it'll be fine. I was meant to go to London tonight as well actually, but I thought I actually just can't. Like my outfit for it didn't come, and then I just realised like if I don't pack tonight I'm actually not going to have a chance to pack, so I've cancelled London. I was meant to go to a White Fox event, but I just can't. Like I actually don't have the time to go, which I am actually sad about because it would have been so fun. But if I'm being like realistic, I've made a smart move in not going to that event today. But yeah, I'm going to take Cobe to daycare now, I'm 10 minutes away. And then let's get our brows and lashes done. I don't know how much I'm going to have to film though, because when you get a lash lift, your eyes are literally like stuck closed. So I don't think I'm actually going to be able to film really any of it because I'm not going to be able to see. But we'll see. Right, Cobe's dropped off. I love how much he loves daycare. He just gets so excited to go. Time to go to my eyebrows. My eyebrow lady's literally right around the corner from daycare, so that is so ideal. And then I get my nails done in town, so I've got to go to town, get my nails done, then come back and pick up Cobe's. Right, I've just pulled up for my eyebrows and eyelashes. Here's the before. My eyebrows are a mess. My lashes just have literally like no curl to them. So I'm so excited to get a lash lift. But I don't actually think I'm going to have to film it because I can't see. But I'll just do before and after, so here's the before. They've definitely been worse, but I'm excited to get them done. I'll show you them after. The holiday brows and lashes are done. They look so good. My eyebrows are always dark on the first day, so please ignore the darkness, but look at the lashes. How are these? My eyelashes. I just had a lash lift. And that is mad. And my eyebrows always go red after waxing them as well, but look how good they look. I go to Charlie Kane Brow. She's based in Sutton Coldfield. I'll leave her Instagram here because she's just the best. I've been going to her now for like 2 years and it feels like it's gone so quick, that 2 years. I don't think I can balance my camera. That's the only thing about this camera, it's quite hard to like put it places because it doesn't have like a tripod. Is it going to go funny if I put it there? There we go. Because it's got a stabiliser on it. It keeps trying to move. My eyebrows do look dark, don't they? But it goes down. We can't get them up for 24 hours and then they fade. I'm actually done at my appointment early. It's only 12:20. My nails aren't until 1:15. So I think I'm going to go get myself a KFC. It's only a half-an-hour drive to my nails. I love them. Can't believe these are my eyelashes. They look so good. I feel way more prepped now for going away. I'm just hoping that my parcels come with my clothes in, otherwise I've got nothing to wear and nothing to pack. I was going to say even if it don't come, but we're going to do positive vibes only. It's going to come today, but like worst case I will just pack everything else I need, and then as soon as the parcel comes, if it comes tomorrow, I'll just chuck the whole parcel in the case and just be done with that and cross that bridge when we come to it in Nice. But yeah, should we go and get a KFC? I really want to drive with you like on the window. I don't like holding it, even though it's like my little skinny camera. I don't know if you could be able to see this. Hold on. It is this camera, so I can literally like hold it in my fist like this. It's like when I'm driving, I still do have 2 hands on the wheel, but it's just a risky game, isn't it? Like I don't want to be doing that because it's probably not very smart, is it? But I can't, if I screw it into my thing, it's just so low down because with this camera, I don't even know where the extra bit of it's gone. So with this camera, I can't screw it in as it is now. I have to attach this bit onto it because this is the bit that's got the screw on the bottom. But then if I do that, that's how low down you are, and that's just unnecessarily low, isn't it? And there's not really any way I can make it higher, so I can't really drive with this camera, which is the only annoying thing about it. Like even if I move my tripod higher, it's still really low down. But anyways, let's go get a KFC and then we can go get our nails done. These are what's on them at the minute. Leopard print and pink. They are cute, but I'm so over the pink. I'm thinking of just getting leopard print on every single nail, like without the pink. Because when she did the leopard print last time without putting the pink on, I was like, they look so cute. So if she's got time, which I don't know if she will have, I'll ask. I don't want to get leopard print on every nail. If not, then it's probably just me a boring white French tip, I'm not going to lie. Brows and lashes, tick, obsessed. Food has been secured. I always get an all-stars meal from KFC. It's basically a little snack wrap. These are literally the best things ever. It's like a wrap with a chicken strip in it and supercharged mayo. It comes with like a little, it's basically like a popcorn chicken snack box. You've got the popcorn chicken and chips in there. Me and Oak were saying this the other day, like we actually both feel like the new KFC chips are not raved about enough. Cheers. These are my favourite things from KFC in the whole world. And I also got a Robinson's squash. I love that KFC just squash. Nail time. Right, let's go and get my nails done because I'm literally like a minute late, but let's go get these done. I didn't get cash out either, so I'm like, I have to get cash after. You got it, girl, you got it. Right, I'm going to make this very quick because I'm going to go get combs, but my nails are done. How cute are they? I went for leopard print all over them. I was going to get a little cherry on this one, but I thought, I feel like everyone gets cherry, so I'm just going to keep it like minimal and leopard print. And I'm also very aware that this whole vlog's been in the car. So I'm going to go get combs now, go home, and we can switch it up a little bit because this is basically a drive with me at this point, and it's supposed to be a spend the day with me. But yeah, I'm going to go home, need to pack, and then, yeah. Oh, I need to wash my hair. I don't know if to do that tonight or tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah. Piss off, stop buying my jacket.
Oh yeah, shit. I wasn't actually here before this was on. Yeah.
Ready? Oh, what do you mean my eyebrows, my eyelashes?
I'm just looking at them right now. They're a bit stuck together there.
Oh no, it's because they're fresh.
Yeah, they're fresh. I like the eyebrows. I get them really mixed up, you know. No, I like the eyelashes.
You're looking right into my eyes, I like the eyebrows.
I had to think about it as well. I still got it wrong. Eyebrows are a bit dark, but I know what they look like.
They always go dark.
I get the process.
I can understand. Ready for the nails?
Those look really nice.
Thank you.
Oh, you went with full on.
Yeah, I went for it.
Leopard.
Yeah.
Leopardino. Yeah, you're cool. You are, aren't you?
You think I'm cool?
You're cool, man.
Thank you. I was gonna get a little cherry on them, but I thought, you know what?
Don't match leopard though.
I'm gonna keep it classy-ish, as classy as leopard can be.
Leopards don't eat cherries.
It's like them.
I do like them.
Cool, isn't it?
What colour's behind it? Pink?
No, it's like a nude. Colour's called cookie.
Cookie?
So like this is pink. And then see the tip?
Yeah. It looks pink, man.
Yeah.
How long did it take to do them? Is that hard to do that?
No,
is that,
it's actually
is that
really easy.
Or are you just doing dots or?
Yeah, she just does it with dots. They're cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Because remember, you had like one of them on your last nails, didn't you?
Two. Yeah, I had these two that with pink.
Yeah. I mean.
But I remember like last time she did it.
Full on lip.
She did the two, and I was looking at them. She did just that. And I thought it looks so nice.
What would you rate them?
These?
Yeah.
10 out of 10, mate.
Well, you'd put them up there as one of your favourites that you've ever had?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
Yeah. I prefer them to my last set.
Do you? You need to get chrome, man.
You can't get chrome on leopard print, that's too much.
No, I'm just talking about in general.
Oh no, I haven't had it for a while. Like Bruce.
I do.
Thanks. What a pack now, and I can't be popped. I should be in London right now.
Big boy. What's daycare like?
Right, it is time to start packing for my holiday. Like shoes just randomly on the window ledge. I need to get my case out the loft, but this is such a blue job. I hate when I have to go in the loft. Right. Be right back. Right. Suitcase secured. Suitcase weigher is at Oak's mum's house. Really ideal. I might have to Oak to bring it home actually. Because I need it. At least we've got the suitcase. Right, I've done a PLT order. So I'm going to do a quick mini haul and then I could pack. Also, I had a wardrobe clear out. Look how empty my wardrobes are. I can't actually remember what I ordered, I'm not gonna lie. I'll give you a quick mini haul and then I'm gonna pack. I'm not gonna film and pack with me because I literally just don't have time, to be honest. But I'm gonna do like a little mini one for TikTok where I try all the stuff on. So if you want to see what I'm actually bringing. Oh, Molly's calling me. 1 second. So the first thing I got, this is actually one of the only colourful things I got. This is so cute. I saw Saffron put this on her story the other day and I thought that looks so cute and like holiday vibes. It does look like it's going to be a little bit see-through. It's like a linen. It looks like it's going to be tight as well, actually. We'll try it and we'll see. But it's this like loose balloon linen yellow top. And then this is a bit different for me, so I need to try it on. But I'm going to try all this stuff on in a sec. I've got this long maxi skirt and it is very girly, but I feel like in the south of France this is giving like cute girly south of France vibes, you know what I mean? So we've got that outfit. I'm only going for 5 days, so I might not actually need to bring all this, but and then I've wanted this little set for a while. I did want the pink and yellow version, but obviously that was sold out because it's like the new one, so everyone's got it. But I got this little long sleeve top and maxi skirt cord, just this white maxi with big red flower, which is really cute. These are for like evenings, obviously, because it's going to be really warm in the day. This one's more daytime vibes. Why do I feel like my eyebrows are getting dark as the day's going on? I think we're going to Cannes one of the days and Monaco one of the days, so it needs like a cute lightweight daytime outfit. So I've got these little shorts. They're like a, I don't know how to explain that material. It says white broderie and glazed shorts. I don't really know. But they're the shorts, and then it also comes with a matching shirt. Well, that was just cute for the daytime with some like chunky sandals, big sunglasses. That's the vibe. This next one, again, probably a walking around daytime outfit or a bikini cover up, to be honest. I've got this skirt which I think is so cute. It's just like this crochet brown and white. Why do I think maxi? Maxi skirt. Like I said, you can wear this as a bikini cover up. I did get this like white linen like waistcoat to go with it, but I don't know if that's the right vibe. But I mean, we'll try it on and we'll see. But that was really cute. I did get this in an 8. Whenever I get waistcoats, I'll wear size down. I love these skirts from PLT. I wore an olive one in Italy, and I've also got it in blue. But I saw they did like a champagne colour, and I feel like this just looks so classy and so expensive. It's got that. Another maxi. And then I picked up this white corset to potentially go with it. I think it's really cute. But if not, I'm going to wear, you know, the one from my edit with the beads on it. I did get this to go with that, but I don't know if the colours were going to clash, so I played it safe and ordered just a white one. I'm not sure if that's going to fit. It looks really big. But this is white satin maxi skirt. It is from the tall sections, maybe. Is that why it's big? I don't know. We'll try it on. Then I also got the matching top, which is so cute. And then a bikini. I didn't overdo it because I do already have stuff that I can wear. I just wanted some like, I think because it's the south of France, I need more like lightweight floaty girly things. So this white bikini with the frill at the bottom, which is so cute, and then the matching buttons look like this. And that's it. That is my PLT order. I'm going to pack now. It's 5 to 6. I reckon I can have this done in an hour, you know. That's probably wishful thinking, but we'll try. And Oak's gone to golf, so it's just us again for the evening. I'm going to pack now, put my music on and just get on with it. Peace out. I am actually pretty much packed. It took me a lot longer than I thought. It's now 8:15, so that's great. I just need to put all my hair stuff in there, but I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow night, so I'm not going to do that yet. I'm basically packed. I've got all my clothes in that side, shoes that side. I've got a couple of bits in this bag, but that's it. I actually feel like for once in my life, I haven't overpacked. So I love that for me, but I'm starving now. I'm going to make myself some dinner. Dressing gown. What is with this? Like needing my dressing gown in July. This is not normal behaviour from the UK. You know what? There's nothing better than putting your dressing gown on. I'm glad I can wear it, I'm not going to lie. Because it's cosy. I do need to put all my stuff on charge, but I can do that tomorrow night. Like, I'm not going until Sunday. I just wanted to get all my packing done today because, like I said, I'm out all day tomorrow. So I'm all done now, pretty much. So it's dinner time. I make paninis for my dinner. I actually love a panini. So I'm going to have these. I've got some chicken tikka. They didn't have the normal chicken they get from us, so they usually get hot and spicy. They literally didn't have hot and spicy, didn't have Mexican, didn't have tikka. So I've had to get like the Astra Essentials one, which I think I've had before and it wasn't great, but what can you do when there's literally nothing left in Astra? I wonder what the food's going to be like when I go away. What sort of food do they have in the south of France? Surely they'll have, I know it's not like Italian, but surely they'll have like pizza and pasta and stuff. Surely. Hey Kiki's. I've just given the dogs their dinner as well. So now after this, I can relax. I can watch Love Island. And I think that's all I needed to do tonight, which is good. Right, let's try. Oh, let's try this chicken and see if it's any good. I'm gonna have to eat it. I've got nothing else. Oh, the camera does not like being leaned up against things. There we go. I'm gonna have to enjoy it because I've got nothing else. But cheers. It's actually good. Oh, darling, we aggressive. Get it. Oh. Cobe's having a cuddle with Dad. This is their every night before bed little snack. Well, not every night, it's a bit dramatic, isn't it? When they say please.
Experts, do your research. Experts say that cheese is good for dogs.
A bit of cheese a day keeps the doctor away. That's what we heard.
Exactly. I can hear you, Keith.
They don't get this every day, really, by the way, before all the pet experts come at us. We know they can't have it every day.
These are pet experts and
These are the experts.
Cobe said he's done some research.
You know, he didn't eat his lunch at daycare because it had ham on it. Gave him his dinner, wouldn't eat because it had ham on it, put cheese on, ate it.
He's such a prick.
He's such a snob, I love it.
There you go, that's your cheese intake. No more,
Yummy.
I know you guys love it, but that's it.
You ready for bed? Yeah, I am. I'm ready for bed. Cobe is obviously chilling on the floor as always. We are ready for bed, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I don't know if this was a very good vlog, so I'm really sorry if it was crap. I don't really feel like I've done a lot other than sit in the car, but had my lashes done, had my brows done, got my nails done, we've packed for holiday. Keeks, stop digging please. She's digging her cool mat. But yeah, next video is going to be a girls' trip to the south of France, which I'm really excited for. So stay tuned if you want to see that. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, give that a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all very soon with a brand new video. Bye.